Let me ask you a question. What if you could earn $5 right away by pressing a button and watching a short video? And if you do this over and over again, you'll be able to make $20, $200, or more without any limits. The best part is that you can do all of this with just your phone or computer, and you can start making real money online right away. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and so many other ways. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 new websites and apps that will pay you to watch videos, because the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. So keep watching until the end to find out all of the 5 websites and apps that can help you make more money. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. First, I'll introduce you to MyPoints, where you can earn money by watching videos online. Some of you might be familiar with this website already, but just to prove that this app is still working, I'll show you how to generate money right in front of you. This app is available worldwide and can be downloaded for free from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. They first appeared in 2012 and their success has continued ever since. There are a variety of ways to make money from this app, such as taking surveys, watching videos, and receiving cashback. Although there are many ways to earn money on the site, for today's method, we'll focus on making money by just watching videos, since that's the fastest and easiest, the best paying job on this website. Now to get started, enter your email address here and click sign up now to join. This technique can be done on your computer or on your phone, so listen closely because every part of this tutorial is important and I'm going to show you exactly what to do using your account. As you can see, this is my account and I've been taking a lot of money from this website for a long time. And I'm still making money every day. You don't even have to do anything, you just need to play the video in the background using your phone or computer. And as you can see here, I'm just letting the video run automatically in the background and I don't even have to watch it. That's literally all you need to do in order to make money through this app. Now let me explain why I prefer to use PayPal to withdraw money. For example, I'm going to select cash right here, and as you can see, I can exchange 3,000 points for $10. Next, I'm going to click on Redeem Reward, and then they will ask for my confirmation if I want to buy this reward for 3,000 points, and if I proceed, I will still have 5,000 points left in my account. Just make sure your email address is the same as the one on your PayPal account so you can withdraw easily. But don't worry, because they still offer cash out methods if PayPal doesn't work best for you. I will now buy their rewards, confirm my password, click submit, and after the reward has been processed, all I have to do is wait. Alright, my points have just been reduced by 3,000 and the $10 has been sent to my PayPal account. Next, when you get to this page, click on offers and you'll see a number of well-known companies like OfferToro, which is one of the most popular companies that can help you earn money by simply watching videos, and by doing so, you can earn up to 3,000 points, which you can trade in for $10. Now here's a short bonus tip. If you have more than one computer or phone, you can use them all to open more than one browser tab. This way you can watch more than one video at the same time. In my case, I use Google Chrome and I let the video play in the background while I switch between up to 4 tabs. You can do this while you're sleeping, exercising, doing some chores, or basically anything and still earn money. All of the money adds up quickly, and the best part is that you don't have to do any mental work and you don't need any special skills in order to do this. You can double your earnings multiple times by combining the apps and websites that I'm showing you. But before we proceed to the second app, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. This second app is called App Nana and it is available for both iPhone and Android devices. When you go there, you can play games, take surveys, watch videos, and the point system they use is called Nana's Point. This is a strange name, but those Nana points can be converted into real and actual cash money. Whenever you earn Nana's Point, you can convert it to money and cash out using PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and a variety of other methods. If you want to make more money, you can also join the referral program by clicking on this link, which will take you to a website where you can fill out all of your information and sign up. That's all there is to it. It's actually pretty easy. You can post a code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or anywhere else you want, and you'll be able to earn cash while watching the videos yourself to earn your second stream of money. Now let's move on to the third site, MyPoints. I like this website because when you sign up for free, you get a $15 welcome bonus. I mean, who wouldn't want a free $15 bonus just for signing up, right? All you have to do is type in your email address and password and click the Join Now button. On this app, there are many ways to make money online, and one of them is to watch videos. If you stay with me until the end, I'll show you what kind of videos you should watch, since different videos pay different amounts of money and some pay more than others. So make sure you stay until the end because I'll tell you the best option for this strategy. But before that, let me proceed first to our app number 4, App Trailers. As you can see, this app has been a hit for quite some time, and the good news is that they have just released an update that allows you to make money by watching videos. This is an incredible chance for you to earn money because the previous version paid so little compared to the present one. I suggest watching 3 to 5 videos continuously from this app so that you can increase your earnings and progress through the system more quickly. Let's compare this to the average rating for apps, which is only 3 stars, and you'll see that this one has received a lot of praise from its users and has received a whopping 4.2 stars from more than 43,000 reviews. The fifth and final app is called Creation Rewards, and like our previous app, this also offers a bonus of $10 just for signing up. But one thing I do want to mention is that I've been using this program since year 2000, which is a long time, and they've been paying their users now for more than 20 years. You can do a lot of various things with it too. For example, you could earn by taking paid surveys, watching videos, visiting websites, buying things online, filling out offers, or simply by recommending this app to your friends and family. I like to watch videos and go to websites myself. All of them are pretty easy to do without any special skills. However, don't try to fill out surveys on the page. Please don't do that because they won't give you much money and will just waste your time. Instead, you should focus on watching videos, and if you like it, you might want to complete some efforts that has something to do with browsing websites. Now when you go to your account, you'll see on the left side that you could do things like watch and explore, do surveys, download apps, refer friends, and so on. There are also a lot of companies right here that will pay you to watch videos. All of them are big and well-known companies all in one app. One thing to remember is that when you log in with your phone, you'll see daily rewards right at the top. Click on that to claim your daily reward because they give you extra money every morning when you log into your dashboard. So make sure you log in every day to get your rewards. If you do this for 30 days in a row and click on it every day, they'll unlock more videos for you, which will let you earn even more bonus money. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos. That's it for today. See you in the next video.